Hello, this is Proshanjit. So I'll be doing big swing today in the Graskop lift. It will be fun. See you. So we'll be going for zip lining. This is my friend. How are you?
I'm good.
And what is your name, by the way?
My name is Terence.
Terence. Nice to meet you, my friend.
You're more than welcome.
But I don't have any harness.
Oh, it's okay.
It's okay, right?
You can hold it tight.
Oh, yeah, I can hold it tight. I don't have to control anything, right?
I don't have to do no. There'll be someone on the other side doing the braking for you.
Okay.
Step up left and like this.
Okay. Yeah, this will be fine.
So with your one hand, you'll be holding onto the black only.
Okay.
Don't hold it too tight. Just hold it gently, only to maintain your balance.
Okay.
And then step forward on the edge.
Okay.
And then sit completely. Yes, everything is tight.
I'll sit.
Yeah, just the harness will hold it.
Okay.
Are you okay?
Yeah.
Okay, then enjoy.
Woo!
Yes.
Oh,
How are you?
I'm good.
Good. Okay, go up. Where are you from?
I'm from Cape Town.
Graskop.
Yeah. But actually I'm from India, but I live in Cape Town.
Okay.
So I'll actually be doing the big swing as well after the zip lining. So I'll walk
Yeah, I'll walk on the beach.
on the beach. Sorry.
Hold this one. Hold it. Sit down. 3, 2, 1, go.
Should we go?
Yep.
Okay. It was fun.
You enjoy.
Yeah, I enjoyed.
Now ready for the big jump.
Yeah.
And enjoy the big swing.
Yeah. Thank you.
That way, please. Don't get to the
Through the beach, right?
Yeah. But for now, you just have to leave the gear behind.
Okay, okay.
The one on the PC.
Okay, okay. আসুন বুঝতে পারবেন এমনি হাইটে ভয় না তো
ঠিক আছে হ্যাঁ চল না
হ্যাঁ আপনারা তো এদিকে তাকাচ্ছেনই না
কোন দিকে হ্যাঁ
সাইডে নাকি তাকানো উচিতই না।
না না অতটা ভয় পাই
আচ্ছা তাহলে তো
কারণ এটা আমাদের ছিল।
আচ্ছা এরকম ছিল বলছেন?
আমরা ঝালমে এরকম একটা ব্রিজ ছিল আর একটু বড়, ওটা আরো বাজে।
তাহলে তো কোনো অসুবিধা নেই।
মানে টোটাল হয়তো 5 সেকেন্ড।
হ্যাঁ আরে এটা স্পিডে যাচ্ছে, ওখানে ও আয়নার মধ্যে গিয়ে ধাক্কা বাক্কা মারবে, মানে ব্রেক একটা আছে, ব্রেকে ধাই করে ধাক্কা লাগে।
আচ্ছা তুমি এমনি নামবে আর লিফটে উপরে উঠবে।
হ্যাঁ হ্যাঁ
Squat, do this, look at me. Your, stand up. Your chin to your head. Yeah. Backwards.
Yeah.
Go backwards.
Yeah.
Backwards.
Yeah.
Back.
Yeah.
Back.
Yeah.
Okay, squat a little bit. A little. No. That's too much.
Wait. Look, just give me some instruction. So I'll do like this. Okay.
Yeah.
Then
And then you put your chin, your
Yeah.
chin to your chest,
yeah.
like that, and
Yeah.
then you squat a little bit.
Yeah.
Yeah, and then you fall back. Okay. You lean.
Okay.
Come. Okay. Turn. Let's go.
Okay.
Let's go. Again. More.
Yeah.
More.
Yeah.
Let's go more.
No.
A bit over.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
Your chest.
Yeah. Hi guys. So this is actually fun. They have not got me some time, but it's okay. Oh, nice.
How was it?
Ah. Yeah, it was direct free fall. Wow. That's good.
You can take off your hand ups.
Nice.
How was it?
Ah, yeah, it was direct.